The World Health Organization reports that the disease burden occasioned by household air pollution results in over 20,000 deaths annually, and that lower respiratory infections account for 53% of all household air pollution-related deaths in Kenya. Now, experts say adverse effects of climate change are worsening as a result of activities brought about in agriculture through emission of greenhouse gases that affects the atmosphere and the ozone layer.
So, climate change, we are causing part of it. But it's also affecting us. It's affecting the farmers. It's affecting agricultural productivity, both in crops and livestock.
Farmers are now being trained to mitigate climate change by applying technologies that use biodigesters as a source of energy and fertilizer.
We can do carbon footprinting for the crops we are doing. Our focus should be to have the lowest carbon emission. If you use climate smart technologies, you can lower the emission from about 393 grams of carbon dioxide equivalent to around 163 carbon dioxide equivalent.
The farmers who have been trained on biodigesters and bioslurry, a liquid fertilizer used on crops, seek to reduce fuel costs in households by almost half and ensure that food produced is clean and healthy.
Sasa nashukuru nilipata biogas, maana yake inanisaidia kupika, kanipunguzia mahitaji ya gharama za kupika, maana yake sasa gas imepanda sana. Gas imepanda sana sasa, si refill gas. Alafu mbolea, sinunui fertilizer siku hizi, naitumia tu hiyo mbolea.
The project engaged farmer groups in the 3 counties in a training targeting to reduce carbon emissions. Alanauko, Prime Edition.